It's me, Hacks, back at it again with another phone recording video. So, yeah, the quality of the audio won't be as good, but trade off, I'm at school. Yeah, so I guess I'll show. Firstly, you got this press to start screen. It looks pretty good, I think. I got this animation here. If you hover over it, it turns yellow, fades in and out. I think that's kind of nice. It's got a temporary sound effect. This was supposed to be like the level up sound effect, but I actually kind of like it here. So I might keep it. It's actually, yeah, I don't know. Okay, so then this comes up, and if you wait like, I think I have it to 10 seconds, yeah, it starts moving. It's gradually getting nicer. uh, okay, so yeah, settings. This is something I did this week. So um, before I had it where the volumes were separate, but now you can only have one at a time. I know this checkbox is really, really small. I'm going to change it, but if you check that, you can have like the individual one and the. Because if you have them both at the same time, it makes no sense, right? So, yeah. Okay. Actually, I guess I can show that really quickly. So, right now, the volume is at 100, right? So, like, say you had it, like, I want the volume to go down to like 45. Then you were like, actually, I just want the sound effects to go down to 45, not the volume. So once you click this, it goes automatically back to 100, which I think is fair. You can turn it down individually. And, like, say you can have this one to like 20. And then if you turn it off, you can have this to 100. And it'll go back to 20. So, yeah, it wasn't too hard to figure out. Before I forget, I'm going to show the gallery because I forgot to do it last week and I'm not going to forget it this time. Okay, so, gallery, let's go. So, I got keyboard and controller input, right? Oh, ignore the hello, that's like a developer thing I put up for the start screen. I can't even explain it, it's such a long explanation, but yeah, it's temporary, essentially. So that works. That works too. The main thing was when you click on it, you can now go through all of them. Epic, right? When you go back, it'll go back to the page where it was originally. So, like, if you're on, like, say, Rowan, right? You go back, it's like, it goes back to here because that's where it is. But, like, if you're on, Ethan, right? And he's on the second page. You press back, it goes to the second page. That's pretty based. I think that's based. And if you go to another one, you go back, it's automatically on the first one again. So it's just, small stuff, but I made it so it wouldn't be annoying. Like if you go to like page 10 and then you switch, you're like, oh, I gotta go all the way back to the first. No, you don't have to do that. So, sounder, I didn't change anything. It still looks like crap. I'm not working on that. Load game still looks like crap too. I mean, you hate to see it. Okay, another thing I did this week. Help menu. I started working on it. This is temporary, but I'm gonna have like a red and black background for it. So I guess this is the first time you guys are saying like the mechanics of my game, which is kind of cool. So far, I've only coded. Oops, that was not supposed to happen. I don't know why that happened. That was really freaky. I'll fix that, but I only coded this one so far because I just started working on it today. So if you click on it, you get a picture. Of course, this is a placeholder image. Okay, and you get some text. It's all temporary, but description's there. So, and you can go between the. That's Macho Man based. You can go through the categories with keyboard. I'll add the cursor input as well. You can go through the pages too. So like, this will change as well. This one up here. But I haven't coded it yet. So, yeah. So I've got different ones. Blah blah blah. So yeah, got to do that. But the groundwork's there. I just gotta keep working on it. Oh yeah. Character menu's almost finished. Yay! There's only one person left. Yay! So yeah, if I did Alice, I did Gavin, and I just gotta do Suzanne, who I already started. I should have finished by next week, but yeah, it's starting to look pretty decent. I'm thinking about putting a gradient in the back. I mean, I just don't know how to do gradients on here without making it like an actual image. So, but yeah, so. Yeah. What else? I think that's it. It just took a lot of time to implement those things. So I think that was all. Yeah. I don't think I'm forgetting anything this time. No, I think that's it. Yeah. I guess I could show you... like here. I have all the pages done already, so like... Oh, that's the... funny story. This is the original one of like all my characters, right? That I drew like, oh my gosh, like 2 years ago. Which is insane to think about. I freaking remember like it was yesterday. But the one you see now in the character screen, let's see, if I can get it. Da-da-da. This one is actually a redraw of this one. It was a redraw I was going to do for it. Like they were in the same order as this, so, but I moved them around. And I never finished it. I just had the sketch for like a year and a half. I never finished it. And then I was like, wait a minute. I have this sketch. I can just use this for the character screen. So it's a good thing I never finished that drawing. But yeah. So I guess the moral of the story is keep your drawings because you might use them in the future. But yeah, it's freaking insane to see how much my art's changed. Like, I mean, that's kind of crazy, right? I don't know. I think it got better. I mean, I don't think I got worse. That's good, right? Yeah? Yeah, okay. So, yeah, I got all these placeholder images. So yeah, like here, it's a separate one. So like chemistry, blah, blah, blah. And I'll code them to be with the right slide. And you got the blacksmith, you got the tailor. This one's the inn, but I haven't written the description for these three yet. I have the inn, the hot springs, and the church, which, yeah, I gotta write. There's actually parts of my game I haven't written yet. Some of the side stories I still haven't written, which I really need to do. It's just like, do I really want to just like sit down and write the love story between Gavin and Alice right now? Like, do I? Or do I just want to work on this? I'd rather do this. I'm not good at writing romance. I'm not good at writing anything. Okay, maybe... Okay, that's not true, but... I keep putting it off. I'm going to do it eventually, of course, but, Um, so yeah, I think that's all for that. Uh, so yeah, I'm working on the help screen and making everything look nicer. Oh yeah, here's the party screen, but it's got nothing on it. Yeah, I know it's got nothing on it, but I have the icons for that, which I showed like I think last week. Uh, yeah, these. So I'm making some progress there, and yeah. So stay tuned for next week, and yeah,